Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Versus Education. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little variation when you're point cutting to reduce density. This tutorial is just going to be a quick one. We're going to be running over a technique we've seen in a previous video. It's an adjustment of hand placement to get a slightly different result when point cutting to reduce density. So before starting this tutorial, as always, I'm going to run you through the technique of how to hold the scissors effectively. So grab your scissors and comb and hold them parallel. Point the scissor away from you and then turn it back to yourself, keeping the shoulder and the elbow relaxed. As soon as you turn the shoulder up, this creates too much tension and the body has to tilt. So we're going to start by finding our initial section. We're going to clip away any unnecessary hair. And then we're going to choose the length that we want to cut this layer. We're going to use a blunt cutting technique to keep as much weight in the ends of the hair as possible. And then we're going to refine this section. Moving on, we're going to be working on reducing the density in the ends of the hair. We're going to be using a shallow point cutting technique, keeping the section tight. By this, I mean when we're holding the hair, we want the hairs to be close together. We don't want too much space between each hair. We're going to be keeping the scissors parallel to the hair, using the thumb to move one blade. So you can see when we're point cutting with a tight section, sometimes depending on the density of the hair and the type of scissors you're using, you can actually leave heavier pieces between the points that you've cut. One way to get around this is a slight hand adjustment by fanning the section while you cut it. So here we're going to take the same section we just texturized, and the finger placement is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go a little bit deeper on the section and just bend the fingers, creating a fist. You can see how this creates space between the hairs. You can really pinpoint the weight and add lots of softness in the ends. Again, the main difference here, instead of having straight fingers, we just bend them and it opens up the section. So you can see just by changing our hand position and the way we hold the hair, we gave ourselves much more visibility in the section and we can really pinpoint those little bits of weight that we need to get out. Once again, thanks for watching the tutorial guys. I hope you could take something from this and I'll see you soon for more education.